You must have felt that you are not getting full speed on 5G or Wi-Fi, or your data just gets used up too quickly. That's because your phone might not be using the connection properly. In this video, I will show you a few small settings that can improve your internet speed and also help you manage your data better on both Android and iPhone. Let's begin. Let's start with Android. First, open Settings. Go to Preferred Network Mode. Make sure you select 5G. If your phone has auto option, select that so your phone can pick the fastest available connection. Next, go to Data Usage and make sure Data Saver is turned off. You can also set each app to use mobile data or Wi-Fi only to manage your data properly. Then go to Wi-Fi settings. Enable Turn Wi-Fi on or off automatically. This will allow your phone to switch to Wi-Fi whenever a trusted network is available and save your 5G data. Now, go to Software Information. Tap on build number 7 times to enable developer options. Then open developer options. Under networking, turn off Wi-Fi scan throttling to avoid unnecessary background scanning. You can turn on mobile data always active. This will allow faster network switching without losing the connection. This will come in handy if you are in a meeting or doing anything important. Then, make sure network download rate limit is set to no limit so that your phone can utilize full bandwidth. And lastly, if you have a dual band router, always connect to the 5 GHz band for higher speeds. Moving on to iPhone now, go to Settings, Cellular, then Data Options and select 5G Auto. This gives you good performance with balanced battery life. Then scroll down and turn Wi-Fi Assist on. This automatically switches to mobile data when Wi-Fi signal is weak. Now go to General, Background App Refresh. Select which apps should use mobile data or Wi-Fi only. This reduces unnecessary usage and keeps things smooth. Then go to iCloud Drive and disable cellular data so that syncing happens only on Wi-Fi if you are on a limited plan. If you feel pages are still loading slow, you can change DNS, go to Wi-Fi, tap the I button, go to Configure DNS, set it to manual, then add server and enter Cloudflare DNS, which is 4x1. You can also try Google DNS, which is 4x8, and see which works better for you. That's it. Try these settings and you should see the difference. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are not. If you have any questions, please drop a comment. I will be happy to answer them. I will see you on the next one. Until next time, take care.